Opening new frontiers. What do we and SpaceX have in common? We're both challenging the status quo.
Up until Elon Musk and his team recently challenged the status quo, we all thought that the governments were the only people capable of putting humanity into space, getting them safely back down again. SpaceX has changed that. We, along with other clinics and specialists around the world, are doing the same in our field.
The public health system isn't the only ones capable of finding and perfecting innovative and effective solutions to back, neck and joint issues. We, along with other cutting-edge institutions around the world, are launching patients into better lives every day. We're educating patients directly, and we're able to take progress to new levels faster and more effective than ever before.
This is different to what you're used to. We realise this. Change is hard. The traditional method of going to your GP, being referred to a physiotherapist or a chiropractor, then finally a surgeon as a last hope, a last resort for a solution. Those days are done. Finished. Welcome to the new world.
You have all the information at your fingertips. You decide what you do with your body.
Our stem cell treatments are helping patients have less pain, more movement, and a better life.
No add-ons, no tricks, no secrets. You ask, we will answer.